What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the regular viewers, and big hello to the new viewers. Hope you enjoy the content. I'm Jason Moore. I make car content, car shows, like vlogging, car meets and whatnot. Also a race car driver, not always a very good one. But yeah, today we're going off to Auto Pro at Singleton to have a look at the cars and coffee. Now, I did come up here last month and there was only 5 cars that showed up, including myself. And you know, even though there wasn't many cars, I was still able to put a quick video together, and you know, it sparked a bit of interest with the locals and whatnot. So hopefully I will help contribute to building a great event. So yeah, sun's shining, it's a beautiful day. Let's hopefully have, you know, a great morning out, go and get something to eat, go and, you know, spend a few bucks at Auto Pro at Singleton, and you know, just support the car community, because that's what it's all about. So anyway, let's go.
A few moments later.
Oh, just been pulled over.
Hi mate.
There you go.
Good. Senior Constable Wyndham, Traffic Response Group. Audio, video records what we say and do.
Yep.
You understand that?
No worries.
Any alcohol today?
No.
Count out loud of 10 for me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And do you have your driver's license handy?
I do.
Thank you, mate. Done a drug test before?
Of course I have.
Happy to do another one?
Yep, not a problem. 9 years sober.
That's good.
Life changing.
That's excellent. 3 tabs on the top of your tongue, right from the back to the front. Thanks, mate. Won't keep you too long.
Ah, you're right.
Thanks, mate.
One eternity later.
What brings you out this way?
It's got a cars and coffee.
Very good. Have a lovely day, mate.
No worries.
Thank
you mind
you.
if I jump out and snap a quick photo of the car with the bike?
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah, cool.
I have no problem with that.
Ah, sweet. Thank you.
Where do you want the bike?
Right where it is. Keep it authentic. Cheers, mate. You have a good one. Ride safe. Thank you. Bye, Felicia. Well, I don't know whether he just saw my pretty face and decided, you know, let's pull him over, or my number plate's flagged, or maybe he watches the YouTube, I don't know. But in all seriousness, that was a great encounter with the police. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're not, but respect to that officer. He didn't, you know, carry on about my car. I mean, there's nothing to carry on about anyway. But still, he didn't go overboard. He just said, all right, breath test, drug test, no worries, mate, on your way. I said, do you mind if I jump out and get a photo? He goes, go for it. Like, that's as good as it gets. So I'm not, you know, a huge fan of police when they overstep, but he didn't overstep. He was good. So respect to you if you're watching, officer. Thank you. All right, we've made it down here, and I've been actually here for a while. Police are leaving us alone, which is great. But I had to come over and have a look at this. This is beautiful. Awesome bit of kit. Hey, I've got to ask, do you actually race it, or?
Yeah, I've been on the track at Phillip Island in the Australian Grand Prix.
Oh, wow.
but I've got a D-type replica, which is more the race car. This is more a road car.
Oh mate, it's unreal. I really like this.
So that was their road version of a D-type.
Okay.
They just shoved a windscreen on it, little bumpers, and a little folding top.
Got it legal.
Yeah. They're just flogging off old race cars.
Hey, you didn't get pulled over on the way here too, did ya?
No, I saw them over there.
I got pulled over. They saw the race car and that was it. No, this is really nice, mate. Very nice.
So, did they get you for anything?
No, nothing they can.
Which one were you?
Oh, the little Mazda.
Okay. Well, if they'd have seen him turn, then they would have, because apparently the indicators aren't working right now.
Oh no, don't say that. This is gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. Oh, that Jag's very impressive. And talking to the owner, Aaron, he's got a long history racing. That's really, really cool. I'm going to get across this road here and start having a look at the cars on the other side. So there's more and more showing up as we're going. Probably going to run over here. Let's dart across the traffic. Let's have a bit of a look at what we've got going up the street. This is nice, very clean. Beautiful. I might jump on the other side though, so we get them in the sun. There we go, we see the colour now. Very nice. XW Ute, I believe. XY or XW, I think it's XW. Could be wrong, tell me in the comments. Tirana, this one was here last time. And Simmons, nice car, a Recaro race seat. GTS Monaro, that's beautiful. Look at the colour on it. Wow. Love that colour. That is really nice. Now looking at the headlights, I think it's HX? HZ. There we go. Cheated, look at the number plate. That's really cool. Oh, it's even got the bubble window. Have a go at it. I love it. That is cool. Very nice. Righto, so next door to Auto Pro, they've opened up the gates and there's some cars inside off the street as well. The Mustang Mach 1, I believe. I don't know, I could be wrong. I don't always get it right. That's the Trans Am GDA. This is cool. Corvette. Probably be about a 79, I imagine. There about 78. There you go. Look, you can always tell. I put it on the number plate. All right, now I've been told this is the one that I want to look at. The Wizard. How cool is that? People just don't go to this extreme anymore. They don't go to this like, look at all the airbrush. I really wish this was out in the sun, because that, see if we get over here, that looks amazing. A lot of effort has gone into this car. That's beautiful. And have a look in here, even all this is airbrushed. He's got lighting in here as well. This is cool. Even the battery cover's airbrushed. There you go, this side's in the sun. That's unreal. Very nice. And next to it, what do we got here? I don't know what sort of racing they've done, whether it's got a number on it. What do we got? Endurance, Great Inland Endurance Trial. It's pretty cool. Old Leyland. I like this. Sometimes when things happen, you just have to roll with it. The emu can't fly. That's cool. Another Falcon Ute. I believe that one's XY. Chevy. Very, very nice. Left-hand drive. Have a look at this. I like the colour of this. This is cool.
Out of a 2-litre Coke and yeah, had it going that.
I like that. Very nice. Got Bathurst globes on it. I'll come around the back here so we can see the colour in the sun. Yeah, that's nice. Very cool. Last one here in the car park, the old Chrysler. Left-hand drive. I just love the interior on these old cars. They just don't make cars like they used to. This is cool, the old LeBaron.
How come Gord gets a LeBaron and I don't?
It's because they love me more than they love you.
No, they don't.
Oh yeah, I only see one LeBaron, Freddie. I only see one. I don't see two LeBarons.
Gordy.
Well, do you see two?
Gordy.
Hey. Do you see two LeBarons?
Gordy.
Knock it off. Where's your LeBaron, Freddie? Where's your LeBaron?
You want to go out and back it in?
Yeah, I'll back it in here.
Still got to get over and do that side of the street, but we'll come back here. See old Fargo, he couldn't get it in the car park. What's he got, LS in it? Yeah.
I'll see you off there. Yeah. You're not coming up?
That's pretty cool. LS1 in it.
How you going, bro?
Hey man, how are you?
Good, mate. Good.
LS1 in it.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Very cool.
Go all right, too.
Oh, would. It would. Oh no, what do we got here? This is cool. Another bloody thing I wouldn't fit in. I like it. What do we got here? This is some B&S stuff. You're gonna expect that in the country. You know what? We'll go over here. We'll go across the road. Because I don't think that. I don't know that he's part of it, but anyway, we'll go over here and have a look at this ute down here. Now, look, this isn't exactly my cup of tea, but it doesn't mean that it's not cool for what it is. You know, there's that whole saying of respect all builds, which, you know, this is still clean enough. Looks all right. Typical sort of country rig. I reckon my mate Fish would absolutely love this. Same as the old Matt Black 80. Let's go and have a look up here. Now this is beautiful. Have a go at that. Look at the size of the tyres on the back. Oof. That is cool. I see this around quite a lot too. It's very, very clean. Let's walk on past my car. It's getting a bit of attention at the minute, but we'll keep going. There you going. 48 Chev. So this one was here last time. I've seen this at quite a few different shows and events. And then a Golf. I've been trying to get over and get a video of this one for a while, but too busy chatting. And my GoPro played up too, so I missed out on seeing the 48 Chev leave. This is a cool old beast.
Minutes later.
Oh well, that was the Cars and Coffee Auto Pro Singleton meet. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and as always, you know, like and subscribe, share the channel. You know, and if you want to buy some merch, love the support. Love to see the brand out there at the car shows and car meets and whatnot. So until next time, thanks for watching.